Hello, Read 84. Welcome to fall semester, and I am recording this short video presentation to just give you an idea on how to navigate our course. As you know, when you log on to Canvas and you are looking at all your different courses, each of your professor has it set up differently. So I'm going to show you how I set mine up, and my goal is to keep it simple, and I hope that it is organized in a way so that it will be easy for you to find assignments and resources. So first of all, I had a really cute logo here, and I'm not sure what happened to it. So I'm hoping that it's going to show back up by the time class starts. Otherwise, I'll go back into my home page and try to figure out what happened. So this is your home page. This is what you should see that is similar, okay? This is what I see as the professor. So when I click on student view, then this shows what you should see. And the difference is that the shortcuts to the side cleans up a little bit, and I've only made the shortcuts that you need accessible to you. So when it is not in student view, you'll see I have tons of different things here, but these are the shortcuts that you will see. I also made buttons as shortcuts for you as well. Two of these buttons are repeats of what is already over here. So you'll notice there's a syllabus shortcut link right here, and I also created a button for you. Modules, I create a button for modules here. However, these other buttons, course schedule and student resources, do not have links to the left-hand side of your home page. So just make sure you're aware that your shortcuts are the links to the left side, and you have some shortcuts that are buttons on your home page. So let's talk about what each of these are. So again, this is your home page. Anytime I have an announcement, the announcements will come up to the announcement will pop up on the very top. If you scroll down the home page, you'll see that I have other important information such as the course description, contact information, how do you reach me by email if you want to call me. So even though I am working remotely from home, my phone number still works. If I'm online, I have a Skype phone line that will ring, and if I'm online, I hear it, I can pick it up. If I'm not online and you call my number, make sure you leave a message, and the voicemail will be emailed to me, and that way I can be sure to get your message. So you can email me or call me. The student hours are times that are designated for you if you have questions for me and you need an immediate answer. These are sort of like my hours that I would be sitting in my office if I was still on campus. So during the student hours, I will have the chat box up, which you'll see there is a link to the chat box, and you just click on the chat box and then type in your questions, and it will notify me that you have initiated a conversation. If my chat box is up, then I will respond to you immediately. So this is going to be new for me, so I'm excited to see how this works. Alright, so let's look at some of these buttons here. One of the things the two probably most important buttons for you this first week is the syllabus button and shortcut and the modules, okay? So one of the things you'll need to do in this first week is you need to familiarize yourself with the syllabus, read through it, because you're going to have a quiz on the syllabus, and it's going to include information on the home page as well. So when you click on the syllabus, you will see that it takes you to a new page. It gives you some of the the core information you need to know about the course. And then you'll see these links down here, okay? These links down here gives you information about textbook requirement. Make sure you click on the link, read what is required. My grading policy, read through that. How do I grade you? How are you going to be graded in this class? Coursework policy, how do you get extra credit, and online learning. So these are going to be links that you want to make sure you click on and you read. And then on the bottom is a course summary of your assignments. So yes, this takes you to the assignment, but I discourage you from using the course summary as a checklist of things that you need to do. I encourage you to use modules instead because it's organized in a way that makes a lot more sense than the way course summary is organized. So that's your syllabus for you. You want to be sure that you read through all this information this first week. So let's go back to our home page. The next probably the most important shortcut that you will use every single week is the modules shortcut. Modules is just a word or term used to show how we organize all of your assignments. So each week. So every week when you're getting ready to start on your assignments in class, you always go to modules. When you click on modules, you'll see here week 1, and these are all your assignments for week 1. And you will click on each of these assignments. Every single week I will have an overview of what all 3 of these assignments look like. In my overview, I also give you an estimate number of how much time I think you will use for each of these assignments. Of course, everyone varies. Some people will take much longer. Some people will take a lot less time. I will also include the point values of all the assignments. So this sort of helps you prepare for what your week is going to look like and the amount of work you need to, amount of time you need to use for the assignments for this week. So always make sure you read on the course overview, and then you can click on each one to complete the assignments. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. So once again, every week when you log on, you would probably go straight to your modules, so you'll see what your assignments are. And again, you can access it through the link or through the shortcut. The other buttons just shows you what the course schedule looks like. I'm going to actually leave the student view on this one because you can't see it yet because it's not published. But this is just a tentative course schedule of chapters that we will be reading, that you will be responsible for that week, some assignments that we will be doing, when the midterm will be, some important projects and papers that you will need to do. So again, this is tentative for the whole entire semester. So if you sort of want to refer to this on what chapter we're working on this week, feel free to use this course schedule to help keep you on track. Okay, and then finally, student resources. This is just contact information if you need to reach admissions, financial aid, DSPS, student health services. This is sort of just your resources for you instead of having to go onto the school's website to look for all of this information. I compile them all together for you, so this will make it easier if you need any of these services. Finally, if we go back to the home page, because all of our learning is online, I want you to, I'm going to go to student view again. I want you to know that Student Technology Help Desk is available right here. Be sure that you use this resource when you have trouble with Canvas or with any technological issues. So this is just a short overview of how you navigate this course, but this week you're going to have time to really get into the course, read through it, familiarize yourself. Next week I'm going to briefly go through some important things in the syllabus that I want to emphasize or I want to clarify. I want to be able to answer questions that you have for me after you've read through this, okay? Don't hesitate to reach out to me if you're confused about what you need to do or if you can't find something. I will be happy to help you. Good luck, and I'll talk to you soon.